Belarusian defense company OKB TSP unveiled the Buk-MB2K system, integrated with the new locally developed 9M318 guided missile. This missile system was tested in live firing in December 2024 near the Ukrainian border. This air defense missile development effort is for the independence of Belarus' domestic defense industry and to reduce dependence on Russia. The Buk-MB2K is a mobile medium-range air defense system that can intercept various types of air targets, including fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters, drones, cruise missiles, and tactical ballistic missiles. The system is designed to operate under conditions of sustained electronic jamming and high-threat airspace saturation. Equipped with a phased array radar also developed domestically, it allows detection of fighter-sized targets at a distance of 110 to 130 kilometers and an altitude of up to 3,000 meters. In lower altitude conditions, such as a helicopter hovering at 30 meters, the radar can detect from a distance of 8 kilometers. Its optoelectric target acquisition system can passively identify live targets up to 40 kilometers away, which is an important feature for emission-free operations in environments with electronic countermeasures. Meanwhile, the development of the 9M318 missile, which was specifically designed for the Buk-MB2 and Buk-MB3 systems, began in the 2010s, following Russia's cessation of deliveries of the 9M38 missiles. The 9M318 missile, which weighs 815 kilograms, can intercept targets flying at speeds of up to 1,350 meters per second. The maximum firing range of the 9M318 missile reaches 70 kilometers, with a minimum range of 3 kilometers, and can attack targets at altitudes between 15 meters and 25,000 meters. The Buk-MB2K system is mounted on an 8x8 wheeled platform powered by a 500 PS diesel engine. Its top speed is 60 km per hour and its operational range is about 700 kilometers. Each launch vehicle carries 4 9M318 missiles and is capable of reaching full combat readiness in just 5 minutes.